Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisine, Shitu's Cuisine du Monde. So on this channel we cook cuisines around the world. So if you happen to come across this channel, this is your first time, you're welcome, and you can support by subscribing for more content, liking the video and sharing it with others. So today I'm just going to show you how you can prolong the shelf life of your vegetables and also to enhance on its taste in the form of pickling. So we're gonna pickle some vegetables, and the vegetables we are going to pickle is some carrots, some red onions, some red cabbage or purple, it looks purple, so purple cabbage, and some beetroot. And then the ingredients, we need some distilled vinegar, we need some salt, we need some sugar and some water. For pickling brine, we have some pan of water on fire. I'm just gonna add in some salt. See, salt is a form of preservative and also a form of seasoning. In goes our sugar as well, our vinegar. Pour the vinegar in.
Ayesha seen accusing.
Guys,
Ayesha
we're gonna
seen
stir everything
accusing. A
till the
place
sugar
where
and the
your
salt
cooking is a
is
cared for.
simultaneously
Ayesha seen
dissolve
accusing.
in the
Ayesha seen
water.
accusing.
We're
A
gonna allow this
place
to
where your
cool,
cooking is
and then
a
we'll put
cared
this in our jar.
for.
Before then,
Ayesha seen accusing.
allow
You
this to
are
cool
what you
down.
eat. Eat well, live well.
The brine in there and just
Ayesha
sterilize the
seen accusing.
bottles like that.
Ayesha seen
Gently turn them
accusing. Come
around
on,
just to
Ayesha seen
sterilize or get
accusing. A
it
place where your
acclimatized
cooking is
to
a
the
cared
container.
for.
Proceed. I'm gonna
Ayesha
start
seen
off with the
accusing.
carrots. I'm
Come
just
on,
gonna
Ayesha seen
gently,
accusing. A
put
place
them in
where
the
your
jar
cooking is
like
a
so.
cared for. Ayesha seen accusing.
Put them here
You
like
are
so.
what
This
you
one,
eat.
this one.
Eat
And the
well,
beetroot
live
as well.
well.
Beetroot for this one.
Ayesha seen cuisines. So this is a cooking
Now we're
platform
gonna do
whereby we cook
the red
cuisines around the world.
onions. Just
So
put
if you
them
like
in.
eating
So
recipes
this is it. We'll
across
put
the
the
globe,
liquid
then
in
this
later.
channel is for you.
We're gonna do
And you
the
can support
purple
it by
cabbage.
subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. That way,
Guys, we're gonna put
you
the
too get
brine
to
in there.
recommend my channel,
This is the
and I also
beetroot.
get to
Pour
upload
it
more
over
videos.
it.
Thank you.
To ensure that it's not too full. Guys, I'm gonna put some dried rosemary on top like so, and I'm just gonna place the lid on. Just gonna put the lid on like that, tight, and then we're gonna store this in the fridge or in your cupboard. It's looking like, guys, at the moment. I'm gonna put some rosemary on top, rosemary a bit. Place the lid on tightly. So guys, this is our pickled carrots, onions and red cabbage. I hope you like the recipe. Give me a thumbs up or like, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.